Can a Lego robot help us catch giant snakes? Let's find out. Scientists are using robot rabbits to lure pythons in the Everglades. Today, we'll design our own robot rabbit. But will it really fool a python? Burmese pythons have drastically reshaped the Everglades ecosystem. They are apex predators with enormous reproductive power, stealth, and adaptability. Their presence has caused catastrophic declines. About 95% of mammal population are gone in the Everglades. Mammals like raccoons, possums, rabbits, and bobcats. This has fundamentally changed the region's biodiversity. We need to come up with a solution. We're going to create a robot that will attract pythons in the Florida Everglades. We want to make it move like a real rabbit to attract snakes. What makes a rabbit a rabbit? What are some features? Big ears, a twitchy nose, and hopping legs. Let's brainstorm how to build those with Lego.